You're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon.
Right out of the gate, this is serious. Habitual felon status isn't just a label. It explodes the sentence to 25 years minimum, possibly life. Past mistakes, they're back, and they're hitting hard. Tell me, should the system punish repeat offenders this severely?
But all this priors, this is showing that you are an habitual felon, which means you're looking at a minimum of 25 years in prison to life. You were habitual felons 2 convictions ago, since 2018. So here we are. Yes. Announcement.
We can get about 4 weeks from now, so I can get something straight down on this. I don't, yeah.
It's not.
Yeah. We need more time to just help work out, get it resolved.
Okay, I'll reset it. 4 weeks, get it resetting.
And this is where everything shifts. Even if marijuana is legal somewhere or medically approved, court conditions override that. The judge is making it crystal clear, 0 tolerance. One failed test, and your entire bond situation collapses. Be honest, should a medical card matter here?
Have a seat right over here, please. Probation.
Yes. Not on the highlighted X one, please.
Let's put him in the penalty box. Thank you. He's got drugs in this arrest. You've tested positive for tetrahydrocannabinol marijuana. That is, it's a crime to imbibe and possess marijuana. It's in your system. It's going to affect your bond. You have a $50,000 bond and a GPS device right now. Is that right?
Yes.
Is that what I just?
Yes.
Hey, let me ask you.
Current. That's gonna be current. All right.
All right. Yeah, he's got a GPS device, right?
Right, yeah.
And, all right. Well, you've tested positive. It's a $50,000 bond. It is revoked. You are now $100,000. Plus, you must have a drug patch at all times as a condition of your bond.
Your Honor, I know he says not THC. He says he hasn't used any products, but he does have a medical marijuana card. And he hasn't used any, but he has a card that allows him to do that medically. I mean, I know the court has a different feeling on that.
I do.
I understand that, but I'm just saying that this is something that there's a medical.
I'm sorry. Your bond's revoked, period. It's the way it is. Drugs on my watch and not allowed.
I haven't smoked marijuana.
I don't care. They all say that. It's in your system, sir. Everybody says that. And wouldn't you, don't you think if somebody would just say, I've never done this, can I go home now? It would be pretty simple, but that's not the way it works. We test. If it's in your system, shame on you. And I didn't grant it. I don't allow it. And that's the way it is. Y'all got to figure that out. His bond is revoked. And is it set for, we said this for trial, right?
No, not yet, Your Honor. No.
Figure out what we're going to do.
We had a reset for 4 weeks for announcement, Judge.
Okay.
You're greater than that.
You're taken into custody. Period. That's the way it is. Robert Chason, come on out.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Can I retest?
Now it's spiraling fast. Bond revoked, custody enforced, and on top of that, multiple felony charges stacking up. Assault on a peace officer, harassment. This isn't just one case anymore. It's a legal avalanche. At this point, do you think there's any way back, or is the damage already done?
I'm sorry. Sir, everybody says that. But the tests are scientific, and I rely on the scientific tests.
Yes, sir. I have a marijuana card, but I still haven't smoked.
Sir, you've tested positive for marijuana. I'm going to rely on the science. I'm going to rely on science. Sorry. But your lawyer's going to talk to you. There's some things we might be able to do.
Yeah.
You were charged in this indictment with the 2nd-degree felony of assault on a peace officer. And that carries with it no less than 2, no more than 20 years confinement in prison and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand what you are facing here, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is an announcement.
Your Honor, we've gone over, this case, talked to my client.
As that work. This is an announcement.
Your Honor, we've gone over, this case, talked to my client.
As that working.
Yeah, that's working fine.
Okay.
But, my client is not, does not want to take the offer, so.
Trial.
For trial.
It's set for trial and just have a seat right over there before you leave. Get a resetting process.
You get right there.
And then, hey,
Now,
hold
all
on.
in it?
There was two cases.
Yes, 2 cases.
Yes.
Mr. Chason, we're not through. Sorry. You had another charge here in 25 CR 1846. You're charged with harassment of a public servant, which carries with it, it's a third-degree felony, so that is no less than 2 nor more than 10 years confinement in prison and a fine up to $10,000. What we will do is, let me see the previous file, please, let's, that you don't. That's a player. It's the same event.
Yes, Your Honor, part of the same, incident.
I'm sorry, did you say, yes, no? Those are the words, hidden in the dictionary. What state want to do on this? Try them both at the same time? Or,
I don't know what I want to do on that
Okay.
at this stage, Judge.
okay.
Likely I will try the assault first.
Well, it's second degree felony. So you were looking at up to 30 years in prison for both of these. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got a resetting, have a seat over there.
I don't think he's fine.
Not yet. Yeah, judge called back fluid.
Designing Matherson.
That's a different today. It's not going to be available.
Does he have fires?
No.
It's nothing.
No.
And
Shocking.
Mr. Chason, you are positive for marijuana as well.
Yes, sir.
I just recently quit 2 weeks ago. I should be clean. I did.
Your bond is $20,000 on each case, 2 cases, they're doubled to $40,000 on each case. The bond to revoke, they're doubled, plus you must have a drug patch at all times. And next time, if you can post this, it'll double after that when I test for you. But you don't come to court on drugs, period, in the ballgame. I'll give you, you get a copy of this.
Yeah, I think on the top.
What are we doing on him next?
We originally set it for trial docket.
Oh, it's set for trial, and he can sit down and drop in jail waiting. That's the goal.
Or I'm Steinberger, your Billy Martin, I want to fire you, and we'll see you.